of this 30-inch Litex ceiling fan. It did have a globe on it, but I took it off, and it has these new pull chains on it. It used to have the regular kind of pull chain like my Emerson does on it. So here's low. It's a very powerful fan. It does buzz a little. Here's medium. Here. Here's medium speed. That's what you call a fast ceiling fan. That's only on medium. Yeah, there it goes. Here's high speed. Here, hold on. High speed is fast. Here we go. As you can see, it flies. It was a good amount of air for a tiny little fan. It goes fast. Here, I'm gonna turn it off now. That should be off. Here, I'll get a top shot of it, guys. Here, let me get up here. Hold on, guys, I'm coming. Alrighty, here. I'm just gonna get up on my bunk bed. As you can see, top shot. Now I'm gonna go back down. Okay. Yeah, I think it's a really nice ceiling fan. Here, there's my Emerson. I took one of the blades off. 6-bladed fan with the brackets are rainbow as well. I think it's a Litex hugger. Again, I'm not 100% sure, but that's what I think it is, because Litexes, I've seen the colors in that kind of order. It really actually is kind of like a rainbow. And I'll show you something else. The motor's red and the switch housing's blue, and the light thing that where the globe screws on is yellow, if you didn't know. And it already stopped, which its spin down time is very quick, so now I'm just going to start it up on high. So yeah, we're going to see how fast it takes up to spin up to its time. Ready? Go. This thing can fly. Yeah, it's fast. I had it on high last night, through last night, and it blows a good amount of air. Sometimes it catches this fan a little and blows it around just barely. Here, I wonder if I'll spin it. It'll. One of the brackets are bent. Hold on, I know how to fix here. Bend that. Okay, that's good. Oh, that's the blade that's messed up. Oh, it has a cardboard box. No wonder why it won't spin. That's probably moving the bracket. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.